So students, our new concept, that is decimal numbers. So in this concept we learn about the expressing numbers in decimal form and addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the decimal numbers. Before going to those subjects, so first we should know about the how to represent the decimal numbers. So here I took one number, that is 253.147. Okay, so after the point we should count the numbers individually like that. 147, it is not 147. So if we are going to expand this, so 2 will give us 2 into 100 and 5 will be 5 into 10. Why? 2 is in 100 place, 5 is in 10 place, and 3 gives us 3 into 1 because it is in ones place. Now coming to the decimal part. So here after the point means after the point going to the right side, here first number we can represent it as 1 by 10. Okay, 1 by 10 means it is in the 10th place. Next 4 will give us 4 by 100, it means it is in 100 place. Next 7 will be 7 by 1000, so it is in the 1000 place. Here after the point we will not get the ones place, so like that we have to expand the numbers. So in your chapter they given expressing the quantities in the decimal form. How? They took here 5 paise. 5 paise we have to convert it into rupees. So how to convert it into rupees? So here 5 paise is there. So how many paises gives us 1 rupee? 100 paises gives us 1 rupee. So it means we have to divide this 5 by 100. So how to divide it by 100? See here 2 zeros are there. So what we have to do? We have to count from the right side. So after 2 numbers we have to put the point. But here only 1 number we getting. So what we have to do? We have to take the another 1 0 in front of the 5. So here we will get 0, 5. After that means 1, 2. After 2 numbers we have to put the point. So it will give us 0.05 rupees. Okay, so like that they given another one example, 7 centimeter. Okay, so we have to say 7 centimeter in the meters. What we have to do? So how many centimeters gives us 1 meter? So that is 100 centimeters gives us 1 meter. So here 7 also we have to divide it by 100. So we will get here. So after 2 numbers 1, 2 means 1. And the number is not there, so take the 0. So that will be 0.7 means 1, 2. After 2 numbers put the point. So it will be 0.07 meters. Okay, so like this you have to convert the quantities into decimal form. Let's go into your exercise. In the first question of your exercise 2.5, here which is greater we have to say. Here they given 0.5 and one side they given 0.05. So what you have to do? First compare the decimal places. How many are there? Here 2 places are there, here 1 place is there. So make it into 2 places. It means 0.5. There is no place means write the 0. Okay, now 0.05. Now just ignore the points. Here it is 50, here it is 0.5. Now you can say which will be the greater? 0.5 will be the greater, because if you ignore, just think it as a 50, then think it as a 5. Which will be the greater? 50 always greater. So now we put the point. So it will be 0.50. It is 0.05. So understood how to take the greater numbers? Now second one, do it your practice. And third one, here it is 7, here it is 0.7. So here no decimal point. It means in place of decimal there will be 0. It means it will be 0.0. Now it is 0.7. So which one will be the greater? First you think about the whole numbers. Here 7, here 0. Which one is greater? 7 is always greater. But after 0.0 is there, here 0.7 is there. So whole number is greater than the decimal number. So our 7 is greater than 0.7. Now coming to the fifth one, fourth and sixth of practice. So fifth one here, 2.03, 2.30. What to do? So if you think about the whole numbers, both are same, there is no difference. But here 0.03 is there, here 0.30 is there. So just ignore the 2 point and 2 point here. It will be 3, it will be 30. So which will be the greater? 30 will be always greater. Now put the points, it becomes smaller, and this one 2.3 becomes greater. So symbol will be like this. 2.03 is smaller than 2.30. Understood the concept? So again go through and do you practice those three which are skipped here. Second question, here we have to express as rupees using the decimal. Okay, here they given 7 paise. So how many paises gives us 1 rupee? 100 paises gives us 1 rupee. It means we have to divide this 7 by the 100. So 7 by 100. Okay, after how many numbers we have to put the point now? How many zeros are here? 2 zeros. It means after 2 numbers we have to put the point. But here we are getting only 1 point from the right to left. So take another 1 point for as 0. It will be 7 and 0. So 1, 2. After 2 point numbers put the point. So 0.07 is our answer for expression in the rupees. Now 77 rupees they only given. We have to just convert this 77 paise in terms of rupees. So how I will write? I will write this 77 rupees plus 77 paise divided by 100. Why? Because I converting this paise into rupees. That's why I am dividing it by 100. Okay. So here we will get 77 plus 0.77. Why it is 0.77? Here 2 zeros are there at the bottom. So we have to put the point after 2 numbers. 1, 2. So after 2 numbers I put the point, that is 0.77. Now we have to add it. So how to add? So one mistake we will do here. We will do? We will add 7 plus 7. It is wrong. So if you know directly, you can do it, or else write it like this. 77 point. If it is a whole number in decimal place, there will be 0, 0. So it will be 0 and 0. And now put the same thing at the bottom to add in general form. Now add them. 0 plus 7, it will be 7. 0 plus 11, 7. Point to point. And 7 plus 0, 7. And again 7. So our answer is 77.77 rupees. Understood? So now coming to 235 paise. How to convert this? Simple, again divided by 100. So 235 divided by 100. So after how many numbers we have to put the 0? After 2 numbers we have to put the point. So 2.35 rupees. Okay, this is our answer. So here I skipped the second one and fourth one. Do it as your practice. Now third question, second. Express 35 mm in centimeter, meter and kilometer. So before converting it, we should know some basic points. That is 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter and 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter and 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, so now if we know the basics, then it is easy to convert them into decimal form. So first 35 mm is there. Okay, so if I divide it by 10, so it means 35 by 10, then we will get here 3.5 centimeter. Okay, because 10 centimeter equal to, 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. That's why I am dividing it by 10. So here 1 0 is there. After one number you put the point, that is 3.5 centimeter. Now taking this 3.5 centimeter, converting it to meter. So for meter, 1 meter, how many centimeters are there? 100 centimeter is there. It means divided by 3.5 is there, divided by 100. Okay, so what you will get? 1, 2. So already after one number point is there. Again you have to move towards left side. How many points? 2 points. It means 3 is there. After that we have to take the 0 and put the point. So here we will get 0.035 meters. Okay, so 0.035 meter is our answer. Next, converting it into kilometer. So what we have to do? Again, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So now we have to divide it by 1000. So 0.035 whole divided by 1000. So now how many points? 1, 2, 3. So after 3 numbers we have to put the point, but there is no points are here. So there is no numbers are here. What do we have to do? After the 3 zeros we put the point. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, again 0.35. So this is in kilometer. So this is our answer, which we can convert 35 mm into kilometer, 35 mm into meter, and 35 mm into centimeter. So like this you have to do the other problems. Now fourth question, expressing in the kg form. Okay, so here first basic thing, 100 grams equal to 1 kilogram, means 1 kg. So 200 gram is there. So converting into kg, what you have to do? You have to divide it by 1000. So 200 divided by 1000. Okay. After how many numbers we have to put the point? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are there. After 3 numbers we have to put the point. 1, 2, 3. So equal to 0.200 kg is our answer. Or else you can write only 0.2 kg also. So there is no value after that point. So when it is possible? When it will be in the form of 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like that. Okay, it means 10 multiples. Okay, that time only we can put the points, counting the zeros and counting the numbers. Okay, so it is possible in the place of tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000 like that. We should get in the form multiple of tens. Okay, so now 3,470 grams is there. So converting into kg, so divided by 1000. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. So now count the numbers. 1, 2, 3. After 3 numbers put the point. It becomes 3.470 kg. This is our answer. Okay. So after this number, if you put the 0 also here, it will not having any values. You can just write it as 3.47 kg also. Okay, both are right. Now 4 kg, already it is in kg, just we have to convert this 8 gram. Okay, both are, we have to add. 4 kg is there, just you write it, plus 8 gram means 8 divided by 1000, because 8 gram we have to convert it into kg, so it will be divided by 1000. So here we will get 4 plus 0.008. Why? Because 3 zeros are there. Here after 3 numbers we have to put the point. So here only one number is there. So for that we will take here 2 zeros. So it will be 0.008. So now if you add, here ones place is 4, here ones place is 0. So 4 plus 0 it will be 4. After that decimals are there, just keep them like that only. So this is our answer, that is 4.008 kg. So like this you have to convert the grams into kg with decimal forms. Now writing in expanding form. Okay, already in starting I explained how to expand this. So 2 is in the ones place. So let's write it as 2 into 1 plus here 0.56 is there. So 0.5, how we will express? It will be 5 by 10 plus 0.56 means now we have to expand the 6. So it is in the place of hundreds. So it will comes like this, 6 by 100. This is our expanded form. So like this here also. 2 is there, so it is in ones place, so 2 into 1 plus after point 0 is in the place of tens, means 0 by 10 plus next 3 is in the 100 place, it will be 3 by 100. So 4 is in thousands place, it will be 4 by 1000. So like this you have to do the other two problems as your practice. So here place value of 2. First and second are generally you can say them. So third and fourth, fifth I will explain here. See 10.25. So after the point, how we will start? We will start from the tens place. It means here 2's place is 2 by 10. Okay, here 2's place will be 9.42. So here it is tens, next hundreds. It means 2 by 100. So you can write here 0.2. You can write here also 0.02. Okay, now here 2's place is in the place of 100. So 2's place will be 2 by, see which place? Already 100 place over. See here tens, hundreds, thousand. So it will be in thousands place. So it means 0.002. So this is our answer. Okay, in seventh problem, here they given one word problem. Okay, so here path also they given A, B, C, D. So here two friends are there, Dinesh and Ayub. So from the Dinesh went from place A to B. So where he went? A to B, and from there to C, Okay, next A is 7.5 km from the B, so it is 7.5 km, and B is 12.7 km from C, so it is 12.7 km. Ayub went A to place D. He went A to place D. Next, from there to place C. So again he went to C. So D is 9.3 km from A. So it is 9.3 km. And C is 11.8 km from D. Who traveled more and by how much? Okay. So for this what you have to do? First you have to calculate the Dinesh how much he traveled. From A to B, how much he traveling? He traveling first 7.5 plus, and B to C how much he traveling? 12.7. So add them. How to add? So plus first at point side. Okay, so in tens place here 5, here 7. So 5 plus 7, 12. So carry will be 1. Next here ones place 7 plus 2. It will be 9. 9 and carry 1 is there. It will becomes 10. So again carry 1. So here no tens place. Here tens place is 1. 1 plus carry, that is 2. Okay. So point is there at the first one. So 20.2 kilometers he traveled. Who traveled? Dinesh traveled. Now Ayub where he? First one is 9.3 plus again D to C 11.8. Okay, first after the points tens place 3 is there, here tens place 8 is there, add them. 3 plus 8 11, carry 1. 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus carry 1 11. Okay, again carry 1. So again here no tens place, here tens place is there 1, 1 plus 1 2. So he traveled 21 kilometer point 1, 21.1 kilometer, and he traveled 20.2 kilometer. Now who traveled most? Okay, so maximum. Who traveled more? Ayub traveled more. Okay, and again question is there, by how much? By how much means how much traveled more. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 21.1 minus 20.2. Okay, so if it possible orally you can subtract it, or else write it 1 upon 1. Okay, so 1 we can't, from 1 we can't subtract the 2. What you have to do? Take the carry. 11 minus 2, 9, and it becomes 0 point. So 2 minus 2, 0. So how much extra he traveled? He traveled 0.9 kilometer more. Ayub traveled. Ayub traveled. How much more he traveled? 0.9 kilometer more Ayub traveled. So like this you have to write the answer. So another two problems for your practice. Try to solve them yourself, and for the cross checking just you download the PDF which I given in the description.